Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your iPhone from another phone. Did you lose your iPhone and only have another iPhone with you? You can easily find your missing phone using Apple Find My feature. Let me show you how to do it step by step. First, this is only walk in. Find My iPhone was already turned on in your lost phone and both phones are signed in with the same Apple ID or you have saved your location. On the other phone, open the Find My app. If you don't see it, swipe down from the and search for Find My app. At the bottom, tap Devices or People. If you share the location, you will see the list of devices connected to the Apple ID. Now tap on your Apple ID. If your phone is nearby, tap play sound. If phone will start ringing loud even it's on silent. Make sure it's easy to find. If the phone is far away, you can use direction to see where it is on the map. You can also turn on lost mode. Lost mode locks your phone, shows a message on the screen and helps protect your personal data. If your phone is offline, don't worry. Find My will show the last location and you will be notified when the phone comes back online. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.